everyone, good morning. This is Ritika Das from Calcutta, West Bengal. I have completed my schooling from St. Joseph's Convent, Chandanagar, and I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Business Administration from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun. My hobbies mainly include dancing and painting, and I've also done a lot of courses and won many competitions in the same. Talking about my studies and my area of knowledge, it mainly includes logistics, trade documentation, and all about the import and export procedure. So as we all know, with this COVID-19 and the lockdown happening, all our classes were converted into the online mode, which means we were to attend classes virtually. With this concept coming up, there were definitely a lot of pros and cons coming up with it. Talking about University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, we definitely had the facility to carry on with our classes through Blackboard. But for usual students, from other colleges, it was not the same. They had classes conducted in Zoom or via Google Meet, but it really did not turn up the same because I have had friends whose online classes were not at all happening. They did not have their online examinations, but UPES somehow managed to do it. So it was a great thing. But talking about the cons of it, when you're sitting in a virtual classroom, you really cannot see your class faculty, or you cannot see your friends. You cannot see the space which you used to be in. So that is the biggest consequence of it, because you are still there in your homely atmosphere, maybe biting on your breakfast or your lunch. So you are not into that mode, in that posture that yes, I'm in a classroom and I should be studying. So this is the biggest consequence of it. This online studying is completely is completely based on how you want to see it. If you want to just log into your class and go off to sleep, or you really want to attend it holistically. Now talking about my course, which I'm going to talk about now, is the Executive Communication Pro. So this is also a course which basically helps in developing ourselves, be it our soft skills, which mainly includes the communication skills, or maybe some kind of solving issues kind of skills. So this was also done virtually, but according to me, I think it would have been done better if we were in an online classroom and the classes were taken in the physical mode, because we cannot see whom we are talking to. We cannot see what's the issue being raised. We are in our own space. We are not in the corporate kind of a space, or that feeling of being in a corporate space. So in this course, the major components were group discussion, the mock interviews that we had, and also we had another component called the resume corrections and all. So talking about group discussions, when I come to the topic, group discussion, we were definitely broken out into groups via Blackboard, and then we were talking about it with our teenagers. But it suddenly, when we were broken into the groups, it looked like more of a discussion. It was not kind of a group discussion for some kind of a formal thing. It was more of an informal thing where people were like, what should we say? What should we talk about? So it really does not give you the feeling that you're in a formal space. So that was one thing of it which I did not like in the group discussion, but yeah, it does give us a benefit of anonymity, because we do not know who is really listening to you, and if the other person is really paying attention to you. So whatever you're speaking, you do not have to fear that person is going to judge you. But even if that person is doing, you're still at your home, in your own comfort space. So this is what about group discussion. I feel it would have been really better if we were in the physical classrooms and attending that. And next, talking about the connectivity issues was the biggest problem in all the classes, despite being executive communication or anything. So what I feel is this audio and connectivity issues and the video issues which we had was kind of also a boon, because we could be attending our classes in our own personal space, but then people were also using it to their negative things. Like if a teacher was asking us different questions, we could be like, ma'am, I'm having connectivity issues. So these are things which we as students also did, and which is actually not good, because we are not gaining the complete exposure which we were supposed to initially. So these are the things which I really think It's a self-reflection of how this lockdown and this virtual classes have changed our lives and how we need to accept it. And I think things should be done in such a way that audio and video are on, both of these are on, and the faculty can see that the students are really attending their classes and they are really listening to it, rather than just being the faculty is sincerely teaching his part and the students are just not paying attention to it. So these are the few consequences of it. So that's it. Thank you.